Here I created a button with local only. If you want to any global means you need to declare. If you created globally means you can use across any other method also. If you created in the locally means it will be assessed in the on create method only. It will be based on the uh, that the button usability. If the button is used only in the starting of the application, it no need to be written like in the on resume or on pause on while to on destroyed at time it's not needed. Means we can create locally based on the usage. We will create a local variable or the global variable. Uh, if uh, if we created all the variables in the globally means sometimes app will hang, so we need to use uh, we need to use some local variables only. This kind of buttons it will be normally used for home buttons or in that activity all the times we will be use multiple uses. For that we will use a global variable. Right now I declared the button and I defined it. If you want action means we need to give set on click listener. See, for that method I written the method set click on listeners. In that on click listener it's inbuilt method like in that on click listener what on the click of the button what we going to do, that and all will be depend upon the comments we will given here on the click. Uh, what action we going to perform, and that and all we going to write here. If you are once you written the set on click listener, you must implement that view on dot click listener. Otherwise, you won't be able to run, or it will show through an error. Right now we doing perform the action on create and on the on click method only. So I'm going to command the unnecessary methods. Otherwise, it will show the toast. You can comment normally by for the single line as usual. You can use a double slash, or if you want to use a whole command means you can control shift hash means it will slash means it will uh, by grouply comment we can use. See, in the send button, the action is I just to put the method as a send method. Then the toast is performed. If any mismatch like the get ID, if you wrongly any message means it won't show anything. Just now I sent the name button. If you did any failure in the name or then Android Studio itself will show an error. Right now, we're going to get the information from the user, like what's whom he want to send, and what is the subject and what is the message. That we're going to show in the on the click of the send button. That we're going to show. For that, you need to create an ID for that two button. The naming convention is usually followed by the what's the name we're going to give. First, we need to give that, and followed by the what is that component we are using, either edit text or button. That one we will usually at the last we will put. Right now, in the send button, on the click of the button, I what I did means, from the what are the values we are typing the edit text. I am getting the text and I am converting to the string. So uh, uh, we can able to use that value in the for the further purpose. We can use it. What are the values we type that we are showing in the debug state, like what are the values we given that will we will get, and I am showing the uh, converting it to string, and I am showing here. Usually in this button, it's like a login button, like what are the strings we get, that will be sent to the server, and they will, in the database they will check whether the username and password is already there or not. Based on the value, they will move to the user to the next screen, or they will show some error. That and all will happen by this button only. And if they want any check any server call, for that we need to show any progress. Once click on the button, we need to show any progress means, then we need to show the progress bar. uh, uh, and it will validate in the server response, and it will show the record output. It basically depends upon the user what he typed in the field, that will reflect in the action button, in the login button. Here right now, we read the message. I'm going to show one alert dialog to the user with the message. Basically, for alert dialog, we will show the user with the customized layout followed by the buttons. Like if one positive button will be there and one negative button will be there. In the positive button, if it based on the user action, if we click the negative button, then we won't allow the user to navigate to the another action. Like if we want the right access from the user, if we click deny means we want to show the alert dialog again. Since without the uh, allowing the permission, we can't able to proceed. Like if we want to open the camera and we need to use the files, if the user keep on denying means without the camera option, we or the file read access option, we can't upload a picture, or we can't take and we can't use those functionalities. So at that time we can use this kind of alert dialogues. Here the first type of message is a text box, and below one is edit text, and the OK and cancel is the button action. If we click the cancel, that we can give the comments like if you want to neglect, we no need to show the dialog box again means we can for OK and cancel we can give the same action. If in cancel, if you want to reopen the alert dialog means based on the condition, if the user not allowed means we need to show the dialog again. Sir, actually, there is I'm facing some issues in that. Is there any other thing that they want to ask? Then we can go by that example and we can I can show it, sir.
Oh, Agilan, is there any other example? Can you show?
Yeah, example. Actually, if they ask means
No, no. You
they
you
have.
you show whatever you can do it or any other one more. Okay, I think now the time is 3 o'clock. So at least minimum we are
Okay.
supposed to go up to some around 4 o'clock itself, some 3:45. So some 45 minutes more if possible. Any one more different some
Uh,
different app can you develop means you can do it. Any example do you have? Anything you can have means you proceed.
Actually, I can give, sir. Actually, if they ask anything means we can. Uh, I
Yeah,
can tell
Agilan,
how
that's
to.
only that's a problem here. Online means they will not be very ready to share their things, whatever they are thinking. Okay, so you give the
Okay.
training. Surely on campus we will conduct. At that time they will be very. I think they will be very easy to speak with you. I feel that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Students, as Agilan sir said, if any of you have any doubts or you want to develop any apps, anything in your mind, how to do that, you can ask sir. So sir is ready to help in all your regards in Android app development. So Android app development means it cannot be a full-time job. It can be a part-time job or anything so that it can fill you not only a full-time job. It can be you can work as a freelancer, which can fit your packet monies. It doesn't need any special degrees. You are supposed to know about the app development and some innovative ideas. So any ideas you want to convert, you can discuss with sir. Sir will help even convert into an app now.
Morning, I told an example for a explicit intent, like what are the Android default one. We can use the action by that, and we can use it actions. Like I want to use the browser and navigate to the link that I given to the user. Like this is how they are doing. Like in banking application, if you open any help section or any settings or anything, if they have any they don't have any native development, but they want to navigate the user to the particular screen, and they want to show the details, like by detailed any agreements or the details, for that they will use this kind of things only, like in the URL they will mention their record the URL, and this is a methods to navigate the user from our application to the another application. Like our application is a sample application, but I am navigating our user to the another application. That's a Chrome is a default application, but by using the intent action view, I am explicitly moving the user from our application to the another application, and he opening the Chrome browser. See, once I click the open browser, it will navigate to the Chrome. If based on the URL it will vary. Like this will act as a deep link also. Like deep link means one URL will be there. In that URL, if any other application is there, or it will be supported in both the Chrome as well as in the default application also will be there, like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube and all. There will be default in all the application, all the mobiles. If the application is not there, then it will move to the Chrome and open the YouTube URL. If the application is inbuilt and installed in that application, in that mobile device, means it will navigate to the application itself. Last time
Excuse
we hello. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear
Sir,
me?
yes, sir. I have a small doubt.
Okay.
Good evening. So I think every app is its own beta version, sir. I mean, to upgrade their features in apps.
Okay.
Okay. I think the beta versions are not available to everyone. I mean, every users. The beta was available only for some specific users. And my question is, how will you know whether we are using a beta version or a normal version?
Actually, that you can check in Play Store only. Like if you go to the Play Store, there they will use. Uh, they will show the current version and beta versions. Like all the applications will have the version name. If you go to the particular app, means see every version they will mention the reviews and comments, and in here they will show what is the current version and how many users download it and how many what are the updates and what are the anything they changed. That and all will come under this category only. You can find the version and what version you are using and what's the different one, that and all you can see in the Play Store only. You
Okay,
want to
sir.
what's your doubt, like in beta version you face any issues or
No, sir. No, sir. I mean, I don't know whether beta version how to. I mean, how will you know whether our apps are in beta or a normal? That's a small question.
actually that purely depend upon the version you are downloading only. Like in Android Studio also, right now I downloaded 4.1. That's a normal one is given to the user. If right now if I click update, means it will show the beta one, but in beta some issues will be there, so it's better to use the Play Store version alone. But if you want, you can add in the beta version. Like you want to become the beta test programmer, means it will be available in the Play Store. If you select that, means then they will add you as a beta user. Then your email ID will be added to their developer account. So if they push any application, it will come to your ID and you will be part of the beta tester. But if you click any if you give any request only, then only they will accept as a beta user. You understand, right? Or
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
yeah, in Play Store, if you give any action only, then only it will show.
Okay, sir. Thank
Actually, that beta tester is mainly that beta application. Before testing the application, what they will do, means in certain organization. If I am developing any application, means first internally I will share it to the some of my close circles and some of the organizer or any whomever we want. We will add a list of email IDs to the beta tester. Then it will push to them. They will check if the product is stable, then we will release to the alpha and it will go to the live. In company also they will do like that only. For testing only, that beta test they will release.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, and also, beta versions are also only available for some specific phones like top end models and flagship phones.
Yeah, actually it will be uh, it like Android in iOS, there will be some certain models only, like 4 to 8 we can categorize to 4 to 5 models, but in Android it's not like that. From 4 point it's purely depend upon the version dependent, like from 4 to 11 and 11 plus it's going. So they will target to the particular group of users, so they will uh, this every data will be come under Crashlytics, like they will read all our data, like what's the version we are using and what's the model number, everything they will read it. So for the particular group only, there is a limit, like for the application we can have 50 to 100 only beta testers. It based upon the usage only, it will vary.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Actually, we already last time we saw the explicit intent, like we move the user from our application to the another application, like either Chrome or the YouTube. Now I created another activity and I'm going to navigate it. If we created any new activity or any classes, means we must need to declare in the manifest, otherwise the app will crash. So we need to create a
Any other questions? Students, please ask the questions. How to develop the apps? So these things I said already. They may be side packet money like that. It may be helpful, or freelance works.
Right now we implicitly move the user from our main activity to the second activity. This is I created another activity, the second activity. From the main activity, I want to navigate the user to the second activity. Here, what's happening, that we're going to see. Like once the app is launched, defaultly first main activity, that on create and on start and on resume first will be called. Once I want to open the second activity. At the time, I do means first the main activity will be paused, and second activity on create will be called. And once it called the on resume is called, then only that main activity will be stopped, and it will be wait for the user whether it is decided or not. Then if you click back means the second activity will be paused. It will be vice versa. Yeah, the three methods it's already called. I'm navigating the from main activity to the second activity I created. On the created, I am going to close that particular activity. We can perform the same action like in the back. We can close that action that can we can do using this finish methods. And if you want to send any data from the from one class to another class means through intent we need to add the data, and we can get the same data in the second class, and we can use it. Sir, is there any doubt or any
Okay, Agilan.
clarification? Yeah.
Is there anyone having any doubts? So anyone wants to have any help from Agilan sir for app development? For
If they want to summarize anything like what we see for the last two sessions, or if
yeah,
they if they
you summarize, Agilan. You summarize. You give a summary overview.
no,
With that, we close it.
actually let them talk, sir. If they ask anything, no, then they
Agilan,
can.
they are second years. They are second years. Even they have not seen any of the faculty. So that's the
Okay,
issue.
okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So
not
at
like
least
that.
third year,
We
second
also
year, they will
faced
speak.
like that. We didn't open in the last minute. We got struggled. That's why I'm asking them to open our.
They might have noted. They might have noted. They might have followed. I cannot say all the 100%, but maximum they might have followed, noted. But since second years, they are very not good in conversing with the online lectures.
Okay.
That's a thing.
Actually, I didn't prepare anything, sir. Right now, I'm just using the browser.
No. Your presentation is good only. Your presentation is very good. You just overall give your overview. With that, we will close it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nice presentation. Surely, Agilan.
Actually, I shared one link with you, right, sir?
Yes, you shared in the morning. Am I correct?
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, that was shared to the students.
Let me open that.
Hmm.
Sir, yeah. Students, kindly go through all the links. If you open all the links, if you want to develop an Android applications, or you want to place in any organization, or you want to work in the freelancer, means this links will be very useful for you. Since I personally share these links as a while I leave the last company, I give a KT to all my teammates, like 10 to 15 members. In that, 3 members is new to Android, but follow that link. They have 4 to 5 years of experience right now. By using this link, they got educated themselves. Like if you want to install the Android applications, the first 3 links will be useful. Like if you are a Mac user or Windows or Ubuntu, if you open that link, there will be a video will be shown in the below of the video. You can get the description. Otherwise, for downloading the video, you can basically you open the developer website, means it will show the Android with different variants. In that, you can download studio software. Like if you no need to do anything. Like you want a basic internet activity, and the system, if it's 8 GB or 16 GB, then it will be good. If it's below, means you will get the delay. Or if you run the application, means if you open another application, the system will be hang. So basically, if you have a 8 GB RAM and a good system, means then if you download, means it will be very well. It will be good. And then in that GitHub, this and all for sharing the project from if you are a single user, then no need to worry. In the local itself, you will have the code. You can change anything, and that won't affect anyone. But in GitHub, means that will be in online, so many users will use that application. For it will be a repository. In that, source codes will be merged and push and download for further purposes. Anyone can use that same project. Actually, in our applications, in our organization, we have a code base, and we are using that code base from different states, like 10 to 15 states. They are working on the same project. That and all will use under GitHub only. So if you go to that GitHub, then you no need to worry about the push and pull. And generating a signed APK means once you will create an application, you will do anything. But how the signed APK, how you going to release in the market, that and all will come under 7th. And the 8th and 9th, it's purely for the beginners. Actually, if you open the how to install the application, how what method, what will do, that and all, they will clearly explain. And there will be if you follow 10 to 20 videos, then you will get interest, and you won't exit without trying all the methods. In the 20th method, 20th video itself, they will give some animation videos and all, like some ball will move from drag and drop. That and all you can see in this list. And UI design, like how the UI, different type of layouts, and what are the type, what we going to do with UI, that and all will see in the 10th. And Android chat video link means we will show some bar chart or pie chart. The you want to categorize all the data, and you need to show the data in the some format, means that basically you will find the MP Android chart. This and all will come under experienced candidates. Like once we download the some external library, and you're going to use in your application, means at the time it will be useful. You want to show any dashboard, like the progress report, or you will collect the whole company data, and you will show, right? That time you can use that. Create a custom views means instead of some normal views, we will customize the views. Like instead of a single progress bar, in some progress bar, like it will show some different circles. That kind of activities you can find in the custom views. For if you are new to Java, you can find the Java fundamentals here. Once you can able to develop the Android project, but you want to test automatically how your application works, that comes under the 14th one. And REST and the 16th, that basically purely depends upon the server calls. Like once we develop the application, we want to send our input to the users, like the login username and password we send to the user, and we will show some what's a list and what's the information we need to show through the REST API only. They will give in the form of JSON. They will give. We need to pass the JSON, and we need to show it in the form of list. And that purely depends upon the REST API and JSON that you need to must. And Scrum is the process we are following. Like there will be a Scrum master. He will evaluate all the task, and for each and task, what's the score, and based on the user availability and his experience, he will allocate some task, and within some dates, how you finishing the task, that calculation will comes at the Scrum. This process they will follow in all the MNCs. So if you go to the Scrum explanation, it will be helpful for you. It will be useful in the managing software development process in both the testing and development. So if you want to go to IT, the Scrum explanation is very must. And the developer guidance reference link is it will show you some useful links. If you go through, means some PDF and links will be there. So if you want to be a developer, if you want to get any inputs, if you go through this link, means you will get 3 to 4 years experience. Surely you will get and you can crack any interview. So you just go to the links. Yes, sir.
Okay, Agilan. I think we will close it.
Okay.
So, yeah, Agilan, you can stop your presentation. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
One second, Agilan.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you, students. Thank you for everyone being present in the workshop. First of all, I thank our chief guest, Mr. VC Agilan, for giving a wonderful presentation and hands-on training, or giving the tips how to develop your Android apps efficiently in an efficient manner. So thank you, Agilan. Then I thank Dr. M. Kalpana Madam for giving the opportunity to organize and have an idea for your students through this workshop. Then I thank our school dean, Dr. D. Devaraj sir, our Vice Chancellor Dr. Nagaraj sir, our Vice Presidents Shashi Anand sir and Arjun Kalasalingam sir for encouraging us to have such type of events for the benefit of the students, particularly through the alumni participation. I thank our management, the chairman, the chancellor for enduring all of us in organizing this event. So thank you everyone. So the Google form, feedback form link is given on your chat box. So open it, give your, those who attended will get the, so and given the feedback. So the feedback form who filled out will get the certificate. Thank you everyone. Agilan, you can sign off. Thank you.